Welcome to our nature channel, where we explore the wonders of the wild. In today's video, we'll be delving into the fascinating world of forest birds that live among the trees and sip nectar from flowers. These beautiful birds, such as hummingbirds and sunbirds, play a crucial role in their ecosystem. As they feed on nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, aiding in plant reproduction. Their vibrant colors and agile flight make them a delight to watch, and their unique adaptations, like specialized beaks and rapid wing beats, are truly remarkable. Join us as we discover their behaviors, habitats, and the essential part they play in maintaining the delicate balance of the forest. If you enjoy our content, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting nature adventures. Let's embark on this journey together and marvel at the beauty of nature.